Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you guys doing wonderful. And today we're going to just walk over what I do to get engagement and how simple it is. So I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I hope you guys are really going after your dreams and not giving up because, you know, your mission is what God has planned. Let me go to Facebook right now. And we are going to go right here. We're going to stop software, and when we're going to use some software, it's going to be wonderful for you. So I'm going to go up to Wendy's post right here. I loved it. Make sure you love the post, then it can get more higher reach for that person within your network. Okay, so I'm going to press make a move, and I'm going to go up here to this wonderful software called Move Maker. And the reason why I use this because it's very simplified and it's not hard to use. So now I'm going to go up here and we're going to get the ball rolling. Okay, it says Wendy right here, and it says original comment and the post. Okay, very simple, right? So what it's going to do is going to make a comment, original post, original comment, and it's going to base it off this post. Okay, so the first thing that you got to do is you want to make the first move, right? You want to choose a product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to products and give you an example. So if I go right here to Facebook Genius, and I'm probably going to use this one, and it's going to discover, boom, 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 boom. There's information, descriptions about that offer, that product. Very simple, and just make it so good. So it's just going to make your posts and your comments just make sense. Okay, so now I'm going to make the first move, and I'm going to go to friends post because it's a friends post, right? So I'll make the first move. So now it's going to generate a comment based on that post. Okay. So this is what I do. So regardless of how to stream, what do you, so I'm just going to copy this because it's simple. So now I'm going to go right down here and I'm going to paste that. Okay. And these are going to be asking questions that are very simple and will make people want to write a comment back. So when she writes back, it's going to help her engagement and it's going to spike her up. Okay. So what it's going to do is it's going to get her to comment, right? But it's going to be able to show my content on her newsfeed. So it's going to help you get more followers. It's going to help you get more leads essentially. So on these posts right here, what I do is I just laugh at it, especially if it's funny, right? And so they're gonna get a notification. So Anna D. Banks, I want to engage with her. She's a wonderful person, and so now I'm going to do that. So first step, I'm going to heart it. I'm going to make a move, and it's going to make a little thing around that post, and it's going to go right here. Boom, boom, same thing. And I'm going to write a comment. And now I'm going to go to right here. And I'm just going to go down my newsfeed. I like to go down 5 posts. And then I'll show you what I do. It's very simple what I do, and this is how I get engagement. And so now it's here, and now we're gonna go right here. And I'm gonna copy that. So the goal is to get people to comment back. So these comments is just gonna make sense, okay? And we're gonna go down. The next post is gonna go right here, and we're gonna comment on it, okay? And we're just gonna copy this. So you want to not do it too fast, right? So I'm probably going to just relax and just let it do it. So that's what you do with that software. It's called Move Maker. So if you want to get more information on how to get access to Move Maker, let me know. This is a real good tool to allow you to get more views and followers on your content. So I will see you guys on the next video.